Welcome to the front of your iPhone 14 Plus, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap on the Sounds and Haptics. Here you'll see a ringtone volume panel. Just to unmute your device ringtones, you should hold and swipe to the right side this white dot, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. We should use power up or down, the volume up or down buttons. Click here on the switcher to change the ringtone volume, and now let's just press to the up volume button on the left side of your phone. Just hold and press the up button, and now we can see that we just successfully unmute ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.